in today's digital age, affiliate marketing has become a very strong tool to create a passive income. And if you are passionate about HVAC or air conditioning sales, then this video can help you to create a passive income. Hi, my name is Praful Varma, welcoming you yet another video of Moksh Lifestyle Hub. As I told you, if you wanted to create a passive income, whether you are a startup or your existing HVAC business or air conditioning business, and if you wanted to scale your business to just promoting affiliate business, then this video can help you. I will take you to my screens here and we will discuss one and one, like how, what are those steps which you have to follow to make sure that you should be establishing as a strong brand where you will be leveraging the benefits of affiliate marketing and taking your business to the next level. So as you could see on my screen, in first step, we need to understand the concept of affiliate marketing. So what is that? Affiliate marketing is all together. So it is a performance marketing where you'll be promoting a somebody else's product and in turn you'll be earning a commission. And commission could be in form of a percentage. Commission could be in any percentage. To simplify this, you can see a lot of businesses which you can explore on Amazon or even a Flipkart, where you'll be promoting a somebody else product, and in turn, Amazon pays you affiliate commission. The same process, same system we are implementing in HVAC business also, where you can promote a product or service which is pertains to third party, or you can make association with some of the manufacturer where you can promote their product through a lot of mediums, which we'll be discussing in the next step. And there you can generate a lot of passive income where customers will be buying a product from those supplier and those manufacturers. Whereas you'll be sitting around at your home where you'll be having a cup of tea or you'll be sipping a juice and you'll be making money out of it. So isn't it more interesting? So I will take you to the first point where you have to understand my 3-step proven method. And in this 3-step proven method, the first thing is coming, choosing a right air conditioning product for your affiliate marketing. And when I say you have to choose a right affiliate product for your affiliate marketing, then you have to bear 3 things very importantly in your mind. First of all, you need to research what is that product you wanted to promote as far as the HVAC or air conditioning concerned. So first of all, you have to choose a product which has got a brand, a trusted brand. And there are a lot of manufacturing in air conditioning industry. They have a very strong brand which is recalled by the customers. So you have to first of all choose a right brand where you wanted to promote their product. And then you have to understand like what is the commission structure they have, what is the payouts they are going to make when you will be promoting their product. And then you have to understand like what is the kind of product they have, because if they have a more basket of the product, more product in their basket, then it becomes very easy for you to promoting their product through your the medias. So which we'll be discussing in the next step. So these 3 things, when you wanted to promote any affiliate business, as far as the air conditioning business concerned, you have to first of all look for research. You have to do a research on a trusted brand. Then you have to check the commission and payouts, because at the end of the day, you are promoting their product to make money out of it. So you have to check their commission and payouts and then product range. Now, after selecting this, we have to get into the creating a engaging content, because through content only you can promote this product. You cannot go talking on a road saying that I'm affiliate marketer for this particular product, you should buy it. Because when I talk about Amazon or Flipkart, there you'll be becoming affiliate partner for those these 2 companies, and whatever product available on their platform, you are eligible to promote them. So in turn, what happens, like sitting in one place, you will be promoting a links and you'll be promoting their product, and your subscriber, your people who are going through your content, they'll be buying this product, and in turn you'll be getting a commission. But when I'm talking about air conditioning business, prominently, you may not be promoting them precisely on this platform like Amazon and Flipkart. So you have to use your platform where you'll be promoting their product. So you get a three benefit out of it. First, you will be building a very strong brand of yours. You become a marketeer in terms of internet marketing, where you'll be promoting a lot of products which is suitable for the right audience. So in that case, you have to create a lot of blogs, which is educational blog, where you'll be educating about these products to your audience. So customer can go through that, even your audience can go through these blogs, and they can come to know a benefit and feature about those products, and they'll be in turn using your affiliate link and buying the product. So in turn, what will happen? Your supplier or manufacturer will come to know this particular X customer has come through your referral, and then what happens? You are eligible to getting those commission, getting those payment. Then you have to create a product review. There are a lot of products available. Prominently, you'll be seeing in terms of a mobile phone, where you will see a lot of channels are there where they'll be promoting a mobile phone, any latest equipment which comes, they promote on YouTube. So similarly, you can do a review for your HVAC product or for your air conditioning product, because there are a lot of manufacturers are there. They introduce every year a new product range. So when you'll be promoting through your product review, and you'll be promoting your link through your reviews, your customer, your audience will be always using that link to getting some of benefit out of it, and in turn you also make money out of it. And then you can create a how-to guide, like how to use this product, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this product. So such compare you can create, and you can able to promote this product. So creating engaging content will not only help you to monetize your blog, it will also help you to monetize your channel if you are on YouTube, or if you are promoting through Facebook or Instagram, because they have a lot of program which is running online, and it will help you to create a lot of passive income. Because when I talk about affiliate marketing, you will be creating literally a multiple source of income within a HVAC, within a air conditioning stream of business, where you will not be only promoting a manufacturer or any dealer or distributor product. You will be parallelly building your brand in terms of your promoting an educational blog. When you'll be doing a YouTube videos, you'll be creating a lot of content, which in turn helps you to build your own authority, build your own brand. So you'll be building your brand, you'll be creating a lot of passive income, and parallelly you'll be doing your affiliate marketing. So hope I made you very clear to understand that, like, what is affiliate marketing and how you can do promoting through your blog and your videos to your customer. Then third and final step comes promoting your content, because you have made your content, like how you will promote your content. So as I told you, you can leverage a social media where you'll be promoting your content through YouTube. You can make a shorts on YouTube. You can create a reels in terms of Insta reel. You can create a story on Facebook. So there are a lot of mediums which you can use it as far as the social media concern, and you can promote your blog, you can promote your video. Here I have just missed out. You can even do a paid ads when you have to promote, when you wanted to reach a more broader audience with your blog, with your YouTube video, or with your other content. So you can create a paid ad also, where you'll be doing a social media ad and you'll be reaching a broader audience. Then you can do a email marketing. Already I have made a email marketing. So there is a separate video. You can always check on my channel. So if you wanted to learn more about email marketing, then you can go and review you can go and look for my email marketing video, which is there on the YouTube platform. Now, email marketing, where you'll be creating your post content and you'll be sending to your subscriber, you'll be sending to your people who are interested in your blog, who are interested in your product. And in turn, what is happening? You'll be parallelly promoting your affiliate link, which will also help you to create a passive income. So email marketing is another tool which you can use it. Collaboration and with the influencer. Here, when I say collaboration with influencer, As far as HVAC or air conditioning business concerned, you can prominently make a collaboration with a builder, architect, interior designers, or influencer who are basically a technician kind of people who are there working on a ground level, meeting hundreds of customers every day. So you can make a collaboration with them where you can have an understanding of the business, and then you can promote through them also your product. So what is going to happen if you are follow this proven 3-step process? HVAC business also you can promote through them, where sitting at home, sitting at your office, you can make multiple source of income, which will help you to create a passive income. To conclude this, I'll say, like affiliate marketing for air conditioning product, you need to basically do certain things like lucrative opportunity by investing time and effort, because you have to keep publishing your blogs, you have to keep publishing reviews about the product. So this takes time and this takes effort. So you have to keep doing this, and you have to bear in the mind, like you always have to create a quality content. It is not like just you are sending a link and you are requesting people to just buy a product what you are recommending. So you have to prominently work on your content, like what is the kind of quality content you are going to create which will be beneficial for your audience. Because if you'll give up right value to your right audience, then only you will build your authority, and whatever product you will suggest them or propose them, they'll be in turn to buying it. So you have to create a quality content, which is very vital as far as the online business concerned. And then you have to do a strategic promotion, which I have already narrated you. Like you can go with the paid ad, you can do a lot of social media activity, which will also help you to promote your brand. And then you can create a sustainable income stream. As I told you, like you can create a multiple source of income as far as affiliate marketing concern for air conditioning. So I hope with this I have given you a lot of insight about affiliate marketing and how you can utilize this particular channel to promoting your product. And if you are a business, if you are a expert and professional in HVAC or air conditioning business, and if you wanted, if you are facing any specific challenge, and if you wanted my assistance, then I'm showing you a link here, and I'm giving a link in the description also. So you can click the link below, and you can see whatever available slot which is suitable for you. You can fix with me one-on-one meeting where I can see you for 30 minutes, which is absolutely free, and we can discuss and we can work out a specific solution for you, which will help you to scale in your business, which will help you to proceed smoothly in your journey. So with this note, I am closing my video here. And if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe, and don't forget to pressing a bell icon, because I'm keep on publishing lot of practical videos related to HVAC and air conditioning. So this will help in your day-to-day business, to taking your business to the next level. And if you like my topic, if you like my video, then please do share with your friends and colleagues, so they can also get benefited from this, and they can also utilize in their day-to-day business. So with this note, I'm closing this video here. Thank you for being patient and watching this video. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you with my new topic in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching this video. God bless.